Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland. The material's quite hard, so it will polish up quite nicely. Rules in millimetres, and the white, as you can see, is a reflection of the lights. Pieces bordering on matrix. With a bit more grinding you might get this colour coming through a bit more. Nice red pattern through there. Another piece of matrix. Need some water on it to help it shine there. And I'm throwing in these pieces as well. Have a little bits of matrix. Some mightn't have much in it at all. It's just bits and pieces that I found. This little red stone, pinky red stone. And I hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.